Hello friends, my name is Vineet Sharma. I am from Team 360 Jaipur, Rajasthan. And friends, you all are welcome to our YouTube channel DMIT Test Facts. Friends, although you may find many videos in Hindi on DMIT on our YouTube channel, but today's video is very special on DMIT. In this video, I will explain the basics of DMIT and its key benefits. Friends, first of all, I will let you know the basics of DMIT and its technical terminology will be explained in next coming videos. So friends, let's start. First of all, know the Greek word dermatographics and the term derma means skin and the term graphics means prints. So the full form of DMIT is dermatographic multiple intelligent test. And this test is kind of a fingerprint test. And with the help of this test, we can know the inborn talent and strength and weaknesses of any person. A DMIT test report is of 36 pages and it includes 10 measure points. 10 measure points. Dominance of brain, left or right brain. Which brain is more dominating, left or right? 8 multiple intelligences, which is suggested by Dr. Howard Gardner. 4 pillars like IQ, EQ, AQ, CQ means intelligent quotient, emotional quotient, adversity quotient, and creativity quotient. 3 learning patterns like visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. And thinking style like cognitive, affective, reverse, and affective. And 6th point is preferable extracurricular activities. Choice of suitable career option according to strength and multiple intelligences. And next, 4 type of personalities like dominant, influential, steady, and compliant. And 9th point is compatibility with parents, others. And last, 10th point is suggested remedies to overcome the weaknesses. So friends, in this video today, we have learned the basic information of DMIT. But sure, in upcoming videos, I will tell you the amazing facts of DMIT. I hope this video is very informative. And if you like the video, please press on like button. And if you are watching first time our YouTube channel, then please subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon. Then only you will get notification for every new video, upcoming videos. And please comment also. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. We will meet in next video.